nsuo tɔ ne mfa sɛ yɛyɛ construction yɛyɛ gutters yɛyɛ drains ebi underground ebi ne way ne nyinaa ntwenhyia no sɛ nsuo sa to free soro a egu fam a ɛwɔ sɛ fefa saa drains we mu na aboba no na ne nyinaa akɔ wie na akɔgu pum ebi nso awura aden asase ne mu na enipa activities and distract the free flow of nsuo no.
Yes.
Now with time no blockage no build ya afi nsuo no to saa nsuo no to a bun say baby o think nsuo na na den ekono enko na are stagnated. Ndi just a chain ansa na no rura nkitinkiti na de akọ. Where we are now no hey me see be cancel me see ya next year you better betina you better can sense mu ya bi.
Abazaba be kan nsuo
ni ya nsuo ya bi me share me first topic na so say can say politician no oya ono ya de oyamfo so a hwan punish no obi ani ho
somebody agese ya twen fie nan so anza na ya punish politician
and yasan ka topic we ya twen fie na bia do ani aka so ta say me position ni edan abu edan na ebu ye no a friend saying before so be sit down so ko je permit
yes
enti one more assembly na man permit no one more sign so wo ho no they must be what I was say you come from no you mom answer some questions what you say a dan untimi sit down na agye aguna busa akwasa there be we investment ne sabe enipa ba kokra wu ade we ho a entwa yi enye but ye be jana sa me no ka say A+ o say aban we mu nkofo ban no wo mo to ton aban saase a eni kwa se nsase o mo aban ka so onton bi no o see the way aban we MPs esi ton saase no me nua no odin enti ya build in waterways yes si adan oye assembly wo hunu say aha ni kwa se e friend say yes down ha near reason near si aha say predo near ye near enti sa human activities no and at time I can't boom the free flow of nsuo no and the enko no enti nsuo no to ya bon say because I'm a block na nsuo ne nam ha na divert afa ha ye hese bia nsuo no to for this bia a magnitude ripple effect be in Japan we don't look at that we are see me say nsuo ne betwe awia bebo nsuo ne betwe ya na nya den e refi yenka wasem biem just say afeda ya sa betina na yeka because we fail to what punish but the mama kaka say na mamuomu for say omu tu kwan a if I just obey permission and then nobody should fly on business class near there go and check a foreign minister okujetum omutu na omutu tu kwan go and check the friend saying a business ticket friend saying ticket class omutu tu kwan Bible simu say abana shaba onini bo hyeso president mama ka kire 27th May 2024 on the 20 Facebook wall or say when given the opportunity flooding AC it will be in CBM they will work continuously every day continue to make sure that there wouldn't be a single flood any check president mama Facebook single flood back where the NC but what are we seeing today government no a priority no is to invest money in sanitary pad what you say yeah the sika ba ko to sanitary pad e de ama yen ma ba mi wan kola ne sha se bu wo mo sa no parents na atama wo mo but aban in there say afi bia meden meto I will invest 290 million Ghana cedis in say the 290 million Ghana cedis no assign making sure say ye enforce law ama ye local authorities ni assembly see who be see their building inspectors anyway na ya punish enough for sanitary pad oh you see a sika see am bekom ne baka just see ni sika ye de drains anameboa bekom ne ba ko see sa but ye nya sika de akoto sanitary pad sanitary pad no kan so omukra promise say ombema local can say factories and I manufacture them no ha but ye ni akwa den e ko import ba kure mu oh no enti meka we say aban be oka say obeya de be friend den reset agenda or they are the papa den break Ghana for but and look at it A+ say aban ne nkofo no ton sa sisi adan dodo And it can even be true, sir. Baby, almost see a no crowd no. Water waste nim you can baby and soon be fun and medding. And soon baby and soon fun and yes, see a down her. My flood in the air, but I didn't know and they be and can flooding. Worse than can say all other regions. Flooding you're gonna one issue. American you see baby see. But no, I'm the prudent measures go. I'm with them yes be a soon talk a crab and a flooding nest there be. Ya na yensu aho den enema sronku bi but in oba hide there ensu no gu fen kra na etimi fa obi is because of when yen activities human activities na ye shada bu ye gu nneoma bi so enti so aban no pepa se na metiti se omubu nkran ba bi ho na se wasi dan na sinsu ma si ebu yes me aban ya adwen ye no ba krache ahana num se original plan ni na say ni akọ MC kra na se municipal ifo kra omu reasoning hoton dan agogo hospital echi he ya na ba ko bi wo ho agogo hospital atonso agogo he ya echire o fa o nam hospital na enche kwa esi another street bi ho na kwan ya da ho a ka betima fa wa si join another street no na ya ton ya reasoning ho aton ebe ya topical issue bebre because MPP time some of us ye gina mu kan say debi eni kwan say papa ne ba say ordinary documents bi no 1000 da Eko nyina about mo stations in other media way.
Yeah, mekai
that. But na obi wa assembly ni ya reason ni ya ton ama na nipa na fa ne ho adi. O kire bi na ho akoflade na ba beble mi aban. Ana ba beble mi hwan. And you say me de ne say hey, ukọ Singapore ni other western na bibia kama na ho. Nye say omo ye nipa so ko chen o. Omo de ne say they make sure say wo ye hwan na mranti say na when follow mrana kwa ya ade amranse menye na ya you be punished ne kura e wo dwatoa hini wom o fanya fama nyame man se fama nyame entin ibra ya bre nyina ne titiro pa na ho ne sie me no ka say edan ya bui e be ka kwa ne say ya na reche sam after a week 2 bibia nsi biem but ya hwe obi am punish na sa de be sesi nya nya achimota ha na baby fenesen building bi say bu ye me so be ka ya achimota
yes
Malcolm building ye bu achimota no you could see say onto he but say man e be say ya asoman no ya man yo ma bi ansi wa me ahu say there be ade we de enye de bia say ya be kwa na be cha na akasa na enkosi ba bia
sure matemi da say empedifo me mfansi e honorable wo
but said they all can who hia say wo de NDC ni NC em say ya na na gi so wo de NDC ni MPP we are now system because e bia na obi pesu ti de o kafa A+ and now was the NDC for the NDC da bi ga gbenya kwa ni nsum no musisi look enye hokura ni asem no hwe building inspectors here na menu ya ka ho asem anka omo adwuma kura ka ho bi so obi si da ya so hunu ekwa ofa so aye osi de di kai ba bia osi ga de to so mi no e normal odi si da na ekwa ofa so aye osi da ya you see be kokoye da bi wo ai ebu akwa na those days an engineer no ho ye friend no tete he was doing a very good job uba ne brebi ho ba you know the moye dro no no aba no ba inspect me kai pa
foundation obaba behwe o start say auto blog obaba behwe do length ho so kwa
the free baby bia o si no messed up
inti plan na o de man no say wo ye no so bo sa de foforo bi o wa on say there be any plan ni mu sa
any plan mu iron rods aya say wo di hihye mu sa no man na so wo ye say ya ntimi anya ne sa no ma we tu ontwada as a said building inspectors ni ade no omo ye omo adwuma yi se ya anya ne sa no ma we tu ontwada because obi kra kwa consider ya de di ka de ense so osie no o de asi ho na on say na menu aka bibi say efa baby ensuo wo me sa me wo de chemia me mpe because on say baby abehu say ensuo bia no say ensuo de ohu say ensuo no nam no de wani twio but asie ho ni nyina ensuo nam ho that is what it means say they make cannot asie ensuo ni nche ho nyina ensuo nam asie
yes
ensuo nam asie ho and this eda no ye high rise na say ensuo to kesi pa na ensuo na nam so na ubehu an say the dan na e go form entino as a say assemblies no ayo mo adwuma yi especially municipal metropolitan municipal and the engineers and no more maka so you may ye pa see and me you may ye dia sa number we to ntwada bia si da ya obesi ndio say there baby ope any call fast where ya person wo si bia no besi but at least I have given you one example
sure
tete bia no wo atuma
Nwabiaja.
Yes, oh, he was doing a very good job.
Yeah. Zamwa,
these are the areas any never be a yakuna. A begins a dihon como. Now, me cockran, baby, me, then I had the Diana come with Kenyas.
Yes,
Kenya Sea Road, so echo Dumakasi Kessin. What did Macassi?
What did Dumakasi?
A can go me a inch.
I day.
Said they are starting rebellion. Said you see to very, very apple.
Nanu, your mui.
Nanu, we saw a couple of Jidisika Kessi Bisu.
Hey,
patches it. Says you to said he read you to you. Then we are home the next 6 months. Can you have
a was here we cry, a cockra.
You're quite nearby. These are some of the things you are never be as a issue. Nipper be out there, dear man's way. Wow, yeah, they make sure we need dear children, no fear no idea. Your mind is a zoo.
No crap.
No, come in your cry, no so fair, and I'm my year. I'm we a new 1 year. A coin ask us, busy baby grow my patch, but none grab draw. Baby walk around over the tea over there, and San Crown as I must say, I will feel calm, baby, which is very, very
good. Cement
okay.
You na Saturday we yana madwen ho a nsuo mu dansie no in fact metiaskwa na ho askwa maken ho no me na naka chem se obeto na sase ho na ofiri maken ase ho nyina no na ye ahwedifuo se o se ho nyina mfuo
awora ahwedi unse sane
no se stadium ombesi stadium we wa ha no ana ma ha ne bie ena ofa ho a hu ho ne sen.
And that's what to say. What to see a dying now.
But oh, a dying or okay, so bua, and easy. It's me who say a structural a kind of saying a defect. You see, Diana, you use the correct materials and a right supervision and community. No,
so Diana, what kind of Susan then easy you?
That's okay. Yeah. Oh, so what's the book now? The costa because but me see Diana, like I say, Ubuagu, a good than boy, oh, ain't he? And ne cry say any bia bana was and your mum no ye papa no and then mum na say bibia quality wise no na e ba form children one and it's
true me that say gentlemen anope yedam wase yankopon ya do me